Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to use the voice chat feature on Discord because you want to communicate with your community or your friends, but you don't want to use your real voice, you can use this voice changer that you can use on Discord. So first, you can just close the Discord app first and then go to the Play Store. So in Play Store, you can find there are lots of voice changer apps that you can use. You can just click search and then find voice changer, this one, and choose the one that you want in here. For example, let's try to find the one with high rating in here. Let's use this one, voice changer. You can tap on install and then just wait until the voice changer apps successfully installed on your device. So now it's done downloading and the installing process starting now. Okay, so the app has been successfully installed on my device in, and then you can just tap on open in here. So this is the voice changer app. So in here you just need to click on the text to audio or record and change. Here you can just enter the text to generate audio, then add voice effect for the text to audio. But for the record and change, you can just tap on that button and click on this record video. And here you just need to click on this record video, but I cannot do that because I'm doing a screen recording now. So let's just click on this. Yes, now it start recording. Apparently you can when you are using the screen recorder also. Now you can just close this or go back to your home screen, and then here you can choose the voice. Apparently what you cannot do, you can just go back in here, and then you can just go to Discord, go to the settings by going to your profile, click on the gear icon and find the voice option and choose the input mode with the headset or the voice changer and change the output to headset. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.